What's up, everybody? This is Lisa here at American Eagle Harley-Davidson. What's going on? It's bikes, barbecue, bands, and beer this weekend. How about we start with the bikes? Do you know that we have over 15 Harley-Davidsons, pre-owned Harley-Davidsons that are under 10 grand? If you're looking for that Sportster, the 1200, the Dynas, we have what you're looking for. Like I said, we have over 15 bikes that are in your price range under 10 grand. Okay, barbecue, Rogue 22. They're going to be here with their barbecue plates. They're going to be $10. If you have not had Rogue 22's barbecue, you are in for a treat. So make sure that you come in and check that out. Band, we got the Bendon Lawson Band is going to be here this weekend. We're excited to have Bendon back. I think he just has a new song that he came out with, so make sure that you're checking that out. But we're excited to have Bendon back here. And Rolling USA. This is going to be your last Saturday to enter to win that, to be acquired for that 2024 Ultra Limited and that trip to Bikes, Blues, and Barbecue. But the thing is about this weekend is we are doing our dealership giveaway. So if you entered, we're going to be giving away the guitar. So this is the Rolling USA Jesse James America's Outlaw branded guitar. We're giving away the wristbands to stay at the Pappy Hoel Campground for Sturgis 2025. I know that a lot of you guys just came back from Sturgis and are already talking about planning next year. So make sure that you come and see us, because you could be one of those winners that we're giving away that those wristbands on Saturday. The passes to Harley-Davidson Museum and the swag. So you got to be present, so make sure we're going to do the giveaway about 2:30, 2:45, so make sure that you are here if you entered. Again, we have everything that you're looking for here at American Eagle. We have bikes, we have giveaways, we're here. All we need is you. Come out, take a test ride. Test rides are free. Ride one, ride them all. Again, everything starts here at noon or at 11. We will see you on Saturday.